We're gonna show around our room real quick for all the mama to go people. This is our bed. There's the ocean, upper deck.
It's my son. Hi. Hi.
Another bed, chair. Got lots of drawers, lots of counters, space, lots of stuff. Clock, important to bring. I showed the other bed. TV with DVD player, and you can rent DVDs.
Guys, look.
A little snack area.
There's a big bed, and I get to sleep on it, not my little doggy.
Then cabinets, closets. There's another one. And this is stateroom 720 on the MS Veendam on the Holland America line. And then in here we have actually a bathroom with a tub, which is huge on a cruise. Products for your using. Line to dry your wetsuits. And then the other things you might need in bathrooms, like a shelf underneath.